Hi there, I'm here with a quick video tutorial explaining how to create mailing labels for your postcards in IMAPP without Excel. We're going to begin on the Stellar MLS homepage. We're going to select IMAPP from the drop-down that appears on the Tax button. At this point, we're going to do 7 things on the IMAPP page in the tax search area. We'll start by identifying the county for the association that you're looking at. Second, we're going to eliminate those association-owned units. So in the owner name, we would indicate, for our example, Cambridge Village, and doesn't start with. Obviously, if you're doing single-family homes in a neighborhood, you're not going to have to worry about this. Next, we'd indicate that we want only U.S. residents, so we're not spending the cost for international mailing. So owner is a U.S. resident, which can be found in the drop-down. Set it equal to with the search value at yes. Next, we would indicate the subdivision that we're looking at. For the condos, Cambridge Village is what I've selected. To assure I've got the right Cambridge Village units, I would include the zip code. So property zip code starts with 34207. Next, I'm going to limit the number of homes that I'm actually going to send to. So I'm going to start with 2018 units that are less than or equal to for the sale date. And finally, I'm going to select Start Search and generate my list. At this point, we've generated our mailing list. We have 154 results, as you can see at the top of the screen. I may want to increase or decrease, and to do that, I would just go back and I would adjust the sale date up or down depending on how I wanted to handle it. To generate that mail list, I would basically select Create Mail List. IMAPP allows you to create the mailing labels. At this point, we would select the owner, and then we would indicate that we want to remove duplicates based on, and the drop-down would be unique property addresses. And then finally, we would only want labels generated for homes that have valid zip codes. We would then select the label size. I traditionally use 5160 Avery labels. They're smaller. They can accommodate basically 4 lines down. Once I've done that, I would then indicate Generate Labels in Word format. And voila, we're at the point where we're going to save those files or save those names to your Word file. Here you'll see I've indicated that they will be named as labels, Cambridge Village. They're saved as a Microsoft Word document, and all you have to do is hit save. So you have 2 areas: input the file name and hit save. You now have your complete mailing labels set up in Word. You may want to clean these up. For example, within the names, you may want to eliminate a reference to LLC or PA. You may want to eliminate references to irrevocable trusts. You would basically just delete that information to clean up that mailing list. Finally, you would then take and potentially change the fonts and the color. I usually do something that makes it more personal, as if I've hand addressed, and I will take and use a dark navy blue ink. That gives it more of a personal feel when you're sending it to the different addressees. Hopefully you'll find that this is a very easy to follow set of instructions. Good luck.